Hey, what's up guys, I go by the name Soji Gray and welcome to another episode of Quick View. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. So I got the opportunity to have a quick hands-on on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. This device is a great device and I have some thoughts and I thought I'll share it with you guys. So this video is going to be about what I like and dislike about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Let me just not talk much. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. So the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is Huawei's flagship device. It's powered by the HiSilicon Kirin 980 octa-core CPU. It has a Quad HD display, 3 cameras at the back, and a 4200 mAh battery. Now let me just move on to the first thing I do like about this device, and it's the build quality and the display. At the back you have a gradient finish. I think it's purple and green sort of, and I do love the way this colors blend at the back and it makes it very catchy. I'm way past that time whereby phone backs are going to be either one color, say black, white or red. I do love the fact that Huawei is very innovative when it comes to the finishes of their devices, and I do love that the Huawei Mate 20 Pro has a gradient back. At the front you have a 1440p by 3120 pixel display, and this display is very gorgeous. It's very vibrant. When you're outdoor you're using it, it's so clear and very crispy. The second thing I do like about it is actually a very little thing, but I do love the fact that Huawei was able to make the power button a colored button. So at the side you have a red power button, and even though it's something small, I do appreciate the attention to details on the part of Huawei. The third thing I do like about this device is that it has an IR blaster. Most flagship devices are taking off the IR blaster, but it's a very kind of important feature on smartphones. If you do have a smart TV and you do have other smart appliances that support IR blaster, you can use it to control them. So I think in my Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 or so video, I demonstrated how the Xiaomi device could control my smart TV, and I do love that the Huawei Mate 20 Pro comes with it. So if you do have a smart TV and you want to kind of control your TV, it's so simple. You don't need to have a remote. I mean, it's okay because every TV comes with a remote, but in situations whereby you misplace your remote, you can quickly jump to your smartphone and then use it to control your TV. So thumbs up to Huawei for including the IR blaster. So now let me move to the next thing I do love about this device, and it's the in-display fingerprint sensor. I do love that Huawei tries to be innovative all the time, and this time around in their flagship device, they decided to put in an in-display fingerprint sensor. It's not the fastest, but I mean, I love that they did this, meaning the next flagship device is going to be faster and better than this current version. I do love that they included the in-display fingerprint sensor. Makes it very simple and easy to unlock the device. Also, it has a face unlock feature too, so if you do want to add that to your security options, you can use the face unlock or you can use the in-display fingerprint sensor. So the last thing I do like about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is the fact that it has a feature called reverse charging. Reverse charging is a very interesting feature. So if you're out there and say your friend is using another device that supports key wireless charging and the person is running low, you can toggle that option on, and the person has to just put the phone on your phone and then it charges. I do like this feature because you don't only have to use it to charge other smartphones, but what you can do is you can use it to charge other devices. So if you have a watch that supports wireless charging, you can do that. If you do have like earphones, for example, the Samsung Galaxy Buds does support wireless charging, so you can just put the Samsung Galaxy Buds at the back of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro and it's going to charge. So that's one feature I do love about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, reverse wireless charging. The only thing I did dislike about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is the fact that the speaker unit is actually built into the USB-C port. So if you don't have anything connected, the sound is great. You have sound from the bottom and then you have sound from the top part of the device, but if you do have a USB-C charger into the port, the sound is kind of mashed up and the quality is not that great. I felt Huawei could have just thought about that and then kind of placed it somewhere else. There are a lot of instances whereby I want to play games and charge the phone as well, and when you're playing games, if you don't have like wireless earphones on and you want to get sound from the phone itself, it can be very disturbing, and I think that's the only thing I dislike about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Aside that, this device is a gorgeous looking device. I feel it's great. I like what Huawei is doing when it comes to their flagship devices. So guys, that's my first impressions of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.